Hello Simon, welcome to Aachen and welcome to the home of Digatron. So Aachen has been the home of Digatron since 1968. We still have our founder and owner in the company, and yeah, let's take a tour. So Digatron's a family business since 1968. We're coming through the hardware department. Hi guys, say hello, you're on camera. And really the heart of electronics, power electronics, fast switching devices, high power, low power. There's a lot of activities going on, a lot of projects going all around the globe from this facility. The campus here in Aachen is made up of three houses, three buildings. So we have the design center, administration center, then we have one production facility here, and then we have an advanced technology team in the other building, so three houses. Here you see in front of you a couple of containers. These are used for testing some of the products, testing them overnight, doing burn-in testing, doing long-term testing. For safety, we can run long-term testing in these containers. So, welcome to our facility. This is one of our production facilities, of which we have two, and I'm joined here with our CEO in Aachen, Friedrich Grupper.
Hello, Simon. Hey. Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you. Yes.
So, when we're looking down this facility, on the left-hand side behind you here, Simon, this is all the main production. There's no power on this side. So the guys are safe to build the equipment, build the cabinets, and we're starting from cabinetry, magnetics, and then it flows down, and we'll walk down in a second and see. And you can see down in the facility here, we'll see some mega transformers that we use. When it gets to the bottom, we transfer to the right-hand side, and that's where the power-up testing begins. Okay. So we'll take a closer look in detail. Digatron is a global supplier. We have manufacturing facilities in India, in the USA, in Italy and Germany, and clients all over the world. So here you see some ready to go out. Just to kind of show you how we prepare for things to go, we actually have tilt sensors. So should a freighting company let's say not treat it with all the care that we treat it. And we also have shock sensors on the cabinet. So we can actually see if the cabinet has been dropped or tilted, and then we can basically have proof to say, okay, something may be wrong with the cabinet, we need to take a further look. That's the sort of care and attention we take. So this is where the basis of some of our production rectifiers are made. And the core of it is such transformers. These transformers will be placed inside these cabinets, and then the associated power electronics will be built around it. So we do this in-house, and you're going to see in a few seconds, it's really hand-built. You know, apart from bringing in the basic core components, we treat it like a hand-built piece of product. And that's reflected in the quality that we do. We're going to show you later a little bit one of our new products, and let's have a look at how the magnetics, technology-wise, has changed. So let's just pop around here. You can see dramatically reduced in size. That allows us to really decrease the packing density, which is very important in a lot of facilities. They don't have a lot of space. And as we talk, you're going to hear us mention our innovation is how to make equipment more energy efficient, resilient, because energy is so expensive these days. It's a big topic with all our customers, and that's where we differentiate ourselves. We focus a lot on the innovation of how to save energy.
I think this is about an order of magnitude smaller, roughly.
Yeah, absolutely. And you'll see this in our new 1500 volt EV battery pack tester, which is a phenomenal piece of new innovation we're just launching. And actually, we hope at the end of today to give you, Simon, the exclusive first video to show to the market of our new 1500 volt pack tester.
Looking forward.
Thank you. So it gets more complete and complete from the magnetics through, and then we start to add in the control and power electronics. So here you can see everything has to be designed for production as well, so easy maintenance. And here you can see an example of that. So Simon, this again is a range of our production units for actually making batteries. I mentioned about we focus on energy efficiency. So these particular production units, they're utilizing IGBT power devices. So again, to maximize the most efficiency. And here we see we pack in 2 circuits per module, again, making it very easy, safe to handle for maintenance guys. Okay, so this is one of our traditional 80 kilowatt pack testers. So it could be a 600, 800,000 volt. And in this arrangement for this client, we're actually using it in like a master-slave arrangement. So we're going to parallel up all these units to give him a much higher power. Just to give you a quick look inside, that's how densely we pack in 80 kilowatts. We also design it so the cabinet is able to go through a standard doorway as well. So for the clients, it's easy to actually place. Very popular units all the way through 1000 volts. But then the new requirement came out, and our latest product has now gone up to 1500 volts. This is 80 kilowatt. We now go up to 250 kilowatt and 1500 volts. So that's the latest innovation we've got coming. And I believe we might have one of the cabinets beginning its build process. You can see the sort of footprint. Again, 80 to 250. Let's have a look. So this is just the basis of the cabinetry beginning for our new 1500 volt. Very early stages, so really nothing to see at this stage here. But the footprint you can probably see from the outside here. It's really of these 2 doors wide, and it's a phenomenally reduced footprint. We've gone away from IGBTs, we've moved up to silicon carbide MOSFETs, and we're putting that right across our product range. It allows us really to compress in the footprint, less losses, higher efficiency, which the clients really like. But again, you can see in here, everything is hand built. You know, we have no automated machines spitting out an end product. It's hand built. And so that really gives us the chance to keep a good tight control on quality. How are you? Good to see you. Huh? How's things?
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
Don't mind, you're going to be a superstar on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, a YouTube star.
We have almost the same hair.
The same, yes. So we're now in the power up testing area. So here in this area, Simon, we're bringing together the hardware and the software testing. So we're doing all our initial, from fit out, we're doing the initial testing. Over in the corner there, you can see that's actually one of our test units. To my knowledge and our knowledge, this is very unique because one of the things we do is we take 2 750 volt units of 500 amps each, and we can let the user choose if he wants to parallel them together or series the voltage together. So we're really giving the best flexibility. And to our knowledge, we haven't seen that on the market, which is what we like to do. We like to be the first to bring units to the market. A note of interest, it's 50% of this building. So in the testing, that's again the sort of scale and size we put on quality and testing of the products before it goes out the door. Okay, I think that's a quick tour of one of our production facilities here in Aachen. I hope you've enjoyed to see, especially on the hand-built and the quality testing that goes into every product that leaves Aachen.